What's up, guys? It is day number 30 of Rise and I pulling the mini sled around the park for 1.5 miles. So we've already... Last day. Halfway done and it started raining on us, so we're just enjoying the rain. Rise, you enjoying the rain? Yeah? Soaking wet. Can you say we did it?
We did it!
We did it! All right, so day 30 is complete. We have done it. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah, Rise is so excited. But finished today in 41 minutes and 12 seconds, so about the average time, but I'm soaking wet. I'm so happy that I completed 30 days of this. Tomorrow I will post a video of everything that's really happened over the last 30 days. But I really hope you guys have enjoyed this series. Thank you so much for following me along on the last 30 days, pulling the mini sled by Strength Emporium around my local park for 1.5 miles every single day. Tomorrow I'm gonna post all the stats, how many miles I walked, everything. So thank you so much for watching, and once again, go do something hard today and challenge yourself. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I'll say bye.
Bye!
Bye.